Boiling out my Honda 600 carburetor the old-fashioned way. But the water's turning yellow. Well, that stuff on the bottom. My lens is steaming up, but wow, look at all that stuff on the bottom. It submerged the carburetor horizontally. Here's the stuff that boiled out. I'm going to go clean it some more and I'll come back and boil it again. So here it is after I cleaned it. I use blast media, but I use really worn out, so it's just basically dust. And I blast it, and then I'll usually just clean it with hot water and blow it out again. But I'm going to boil it again just to see how much media is going to come out. There it is, boiling for the second time. I had it in there horizontal, and then I took it out and put it up vertical. And then I spooned some water over the top of it with my little ladle, just to get the stuff going through. Because there's a hole here, it goes to air passage. Anyway, I think it'll be good. I'll let you know. Here's the water after I boiled it. It's got some stuff in it. Let's go dump it out and look. Yeah, there's sand in there. So I'd say if you sandblast it, you probably want to boil it.